I just wanted to give my honest opinion on this perfume because all of the ones they hyped up on TikTok is trash. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is 𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐻. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, and welcome to the click. In today's video, we are going to be doing a luxury perfume unboxing, and I'm very much so excited to do this because I've been wanting to try a luxury perfume for the longest since everything was popping on TikTok and all this other stuff. I wanted to start my collection, but I'm finally getting around to it. Excuse me. And I got one that smells amazing. I haven't seen many people get this perfume or even talk about it, probably because it's old or it might not be as popular as the ones that they are hyping up on TikTok, but decided to get this fragrance because I smelled it in Ulta and I absolutely loved it. So the fragrance that I'm talking about today is going to be the Jimmy Choo Fever. And this perfume smells so good, y'all. When I tell y'all it smells good, I'm gonna look up the notes on this perfume because I definitely think if you're a warmer, sexier, flirtier type girl, then you'll definitely love it. Let me give y'all the details. For this perfume, it is a lot of elements. As I say, it's a hot floral fragrance, a bit of sweet with a dark background. And then the notes for this fragrance is black plum, lychee, grapefruit, and then the heart of this perfume is heliotrope. The base is benzoin, sandalwood, and tonka bean. And y'all, whatever they put in here, whatever they put in the mix, baby, is it, because it smells so good. So I'm gonna open the bottle for y'all on camera so y'all can see what the business is. This is the box. Look at the snake skin on the box, y'all. Definitely giving luxury fever. Get it? Okay, so we're gonna open it. It comes like this with the black on the inside, and then the label for this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna open it, and then it comes, you can see the top peeking through, and then of course it has a little flip. Let's get into the bottle, you guys. This is a 1.3 ounce bottle, and look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. You can't see the Jimmy Choo, but it's so freaking cute. The bottle is everything. It's so pretty and it smells so good. Okay, so it's a pop-off top, so you basically just pop it off, and the little nozzle. And you guys, this is it. I'm not sure if you can see the Jimmy Choo sign, but it's so freaking pretty, and oh God, it smells so good. Now, I did want to let you guys know, I do recommend the perfume. Like I said, I give it a 10 out of 10. I have the price on the screen and everything, but definitely leave me your opinions down below. I'll also leave the notes for the perfume down below. And if you guys want more unboxings, because I did get some more, if you guys want more unboxings, then definitely let me know. I just wanted to give my honest opinion on this perfume because all of the ones they hyped up on TikTok is trash, and that's just my opinion. But I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss when your girl posts a video. Peace.